Hello everyone. Welcome back to your English language class. Today we are going to begin with our next topic, which is about tenses and their uses. What are those tenses? Why we use tenses, right? Tenses are the time, we can say, which will tell us at which very particular time that very event has taken place. That very time of the event will be represented by tenses. Tenses are of in main three categories: present tense, past tense and the future tense. Present tense means the time which is going on now at present, that will be your present tense. Past means the things which are already done in the past, those actions are already performed, that will be your past tense. And the future one, future tense, means it will depict the future time, the time which is yet to come, that will be your future tense. Today we are going to read about our present tense, simple present tense. We are going to read about its formation and its uses itself, where this tense will be used. You can construct a table like this in your notebook of English 1 for future references also, along with the example. The very first tense is simple present tense. Its formation is subject plus verb's first form plus s or es plus object. Subject is the doer of the action, right? Verb is the action itself, and with that very verb we will use s or es, but it will be only used with the case of a third person singular subject. With plural subjects it will not be used, neither with the second person and the first person. Only with the third person singular subject this s and es will be used, and then the sentence will end up with the object. See the very example: cat drinks milk. Here cat is a singular subject, so s and es is used with the verb's third form, and milk is your object. But on the very contrary, if your subject is plural, here I have changed it into cats, plural subject, then it will be not used with s and es, because only with the singular subject we will use s and es with the verb. Here comes the uses of the simple present tense, where simple present tense is used. The very first one is it is used to express universal truth, situation or facts. What are the universal truth? The truth which can never be changed. It will remain same. For example, the sun rises in the east. It is the universal truth. It always rises in the east. It will not change. So we will use simple present tense. And according to the simple present tense, verb will be followed by s and es if your subject is singular. Then it expresses habitual actions. Habitual actions means actions which are our habits. We perform it out of habit only, daily needs. Cats drink milk because cats are having a habit of drinking milk. Next one is to express immediate actions in the immediate present. The very actions which we are doing at the very present moment, to represent those very actions we will use simple present tense. Here comes the leader. Next one is when someone is showing people how to do something. For example, at the moment of the speaking, that very person is doing that very action also. Here I have taken example as if in case of making a cake, someone is telling another person, I take 2 cups of flour. It will be simple present tense. Also to indicate present period, at this very time. For example, my brother works in a factory. At currently he is working in that very factory, so they have used simple present tense. Then to express future fixed action, the action which is already fixed and it will be same executing at that very time itself. The match starts at 5 p.m. Next, to show ownership and relation, belongings. These things belong to that very person. For example, this book belongs to Rohit. Rohit is the owner of this very book. So to show ownership and relation, we will use simple present tense. With the verbs of the perception verbs like see, hear, smell, taste, feel, we will use simple present tense. And with the scientific facts also, water freezes at 0 degree centigrade. Then the conditional clauses, if he works hard, he will succeed. Conditional clauses means the very clause which will have a condition in it. Please try to write these rules in your notebook and try to revise it. Thank you.